Hello everyone. Let us solve the following. A storage tank consists of a circular cylinder with a hemisphere stuck on either end. If the external diameter of the cylinder be 1.4 meters and its length is 8 meters, find the cost of painting it on the outside at the rate of rupees 20 for 1 square meter. Okay, so let us structurize the tank once in the form of an image such that we can calculate the required thing. What is given here? There is a storage tank. The tank is in the form of a circular cylinder. Okay, and both the sides it has a hemisphere stuck on the either side, either end of that particular cylinder. And what is given more here? The external diameter of the cylinder is given as diameter of the cylinder is given as 1.4 meters, and the length of the cylinder, which can be taken as the height of the cylinder, as 8 meters. Okay, and one more point is given as that to paint that particular cylinder, it takes 20 rupees per 1 meter square. Okay, right? So this is the storage tank. Okay, and it is in the form of a cylinder, right? Either side hemispheres are there, and the length or the height of the cylinder is taken as it is given as 8 meters, and the diameter of that particular external diameter of that cylinder is given as 1.4 meters. Okay, so this is the given information, right? The same given information is again mentioned here. The external diameter of the cylinder is 1.4 meters. Obviously, the radius of the cylinder becomes r is equal d by 2. That's why it becomes zero point 0.7 meters or 0.7 meters. Okay. The length of the cylinder, obviously, the height of the cylinder becomes as 8 meters. It is taken from the data given in the problem. Okay, right. Now, uh, we want to know the total cost for painting the cylinder. Okay, to find out the cost for painting, first we need to find the total surface area of the tank. If you are able to find the total surface area of the tank, okay, by taking the information given, we are able to find the cost of painting it. Okay, so first step, we need to find the total surface area of the water tank. This is the whole water tank. Okay, outside we need to paint it. So first we are going to find out the total surface area of the water tank. How can we get the total surface area of the water tank? It is very clear that one cylinder is there, here one hemisphere, and that side one more hemisphere. Okay, so the total surface area of the water tank is equal to curved surface area of the cylinder plus the surface area of the two hemispheres. If you are able to trace out its point, it is very easy for us to find the cost of painting. Okay, the first point we need to trace it. The total surface area of the water tank is nothing but the curved surface area of the cylinder, as well as the surface area of two hemispheres. When we add both of them, we will get the total surface area of the water tank. I hope it is clear till here. Okay. Now, just we are going to apply the given information or the values in the formulas. Okay. Right. So, according to our conclusion, we are able to tell that the total surface area of the water tank is equal to curved surface area of the cylinder and the surface area of the two hemispheres. Okay, now we are going to find them individually. First, we are finding the curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay, how can we find the curved surface area of the cylinder? Curved surface area of the cylinder is nothing but 2 pi r h. Okay, where pi is a fixed value 22 by 7 or 3.14, Okay, and r is the radius, external radius of that particular cylinder, and h is nothing but the height of the cylinder. These values are given. Okay, r value we know and h value we know. R is nothing but point 7. Okay, 0.7. Yes or no? Is it 0.7 or not? Yes, it is 0.7 meters, right? 0.7 meters, and h is nothing but 8 meters. Height of the cylinder is nothing but 8 meters, right? And uh, pi value is fixed one. Pi value is 3.14 we have taken, right? Pi value is 3.14. So after substituting all these values, what did we get? The curved surface area of the cylinder is nothing but 2 into pi into r into h. Okay, 2 into pi into r into h. I substituted all the values. After substituting and simplifying, how much value did we get? The curved surface area of the cylinder as 35.2 square meters or meter square, anything. Okay, so here I substituted the value of r as 0.7 meters and h as 8 meters. These are all given in the problem. We did not take or we did not calculate. Okay, just they are given. R value we have taken from the diameter, and the height value is we have taken from the length of the cylinder. Okay, till here it is clear, I think. Okay, next we are going to find out the surface area of the two hemispheres. Cylinder value we have found out. Now we need the surface area of the two hemispheres, right? So the surface area of a hemisphere is 2 pi r square. Okay, now the surface area of two hemispheres, it becomes 2 into 2 pi r square, that is 4 pi r square. Again we are substituting the values of r and pi values. Okay, pi is a fixed value, constant. Okay, so after substituting all the values, 4 pi r square, right? 4 into 3.14 into r square means r into r, point 0.7 into point 0.7. Okay, so after substituting all the values, we can simplify. After the simplification, we got the value, the surface area of two hemispheres as 6.1544. Here, we can substitute pi value as 22 by 7 also. We can substitute as 3 point, it depends. Okay, just to make the calculation easy, I have substituted like this. Okay, right. Now, we have already derived that the total surface area of the water tank is nothing but the curved surface area of the cylinder plus the surface area of the hemispheres, two hemispheres. Now I'm adding those two values. After adding those two values, how much value that we get? 41.3544 square meters. Okay, this is the total surface area of the water tank. Okay, so what do we need? Actually, we need to find the cost for painting. So it is given that per 1 meter square of area, they take 20 rupees. So total surface area, we got this one, and per meter square or for square meter, 1 square meter, they have given rupees 20. So it is very clear that when we are able to multiply the total surface area with the cost of painting of one square meter or per square meter, it is easy for us to we can easily calculate the total cost for painting. So the total cost for painting is nothing but the cost of painting the tank per square meter into total surface area of the water tank. So when we calculate that one, how much did we get? 827.080, not 88. Or sometimes, it may vary. We are taking the value after points, the value may vary here and there. That's why approximately, what can we take? The total cost for painting the total tank is approximately 827 rupees. Okay, so when we are able to find the total surface area of the water tank, it is easy for us to find the total cost for painting also. Okay, here we have calculated everything from the given information only. only diameter is given, radius we have calculated. And if we are able to imagine the structure of the tank, having two hemispheres, either side, and the right circular cylinder here, okay, it is easy for us to find the total surface area. When we are able to find the total surface area of the water tank, it is very easy for us to find the cost for painting the that particular tank. Okay, step by step. First, we need to note down the given information, then we have to imagine the structure, then we are able to derive the formula, final calculation. Okay, if we follow these four steps, in a proper order, it is very easy for us to find out the required thing. Okay, so here in this problem, what is the total cost for painting? It is nothing but approximately 827 rupees. Okay, I think you have understood. Okay, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.